Hey friends, it's Sean with iwashyoudry.com, and today we are going to be making this awesome veggie lo mein. It is filled with mushrooms, celery, cabbage, all the good stuff in a sauce that is spectacular. It tastes just like restaurant quality. You are going to love it. And it comes together super quick. So let's get going. I cannot wait to show you how to make this. First off, we're going to mix up our sauce ingredients because you want to have everything prepped and ready to go before you start. That way it all just flows really smoothly. Okay, we're going to use 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I am using low sodium soy sauce here. If you like saltier soy sauce, go ahead and use that, not a problem. I am also using 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. It's just Chinese cooking wine. You can get this at the Asian market. I ordered this on Amazon because I don't have an Asian market in our town, and I left the link for that in the blog post too. You can also substitute the 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine for mirin, which is another type of cooking wine. So the next thing we're gonna use is sweet soy sauce. Now this is kind of like a glazed soy sauce. It's like a thicker, sweet sauce. It has kind of a molasses taste to it. I also ordered this on Amazon, but you can probably find this in most Asian markets as well. It gives it a nice, rich, sweet flavor. And we just need 2 tablespoons of that. The next ingredient in our lo mein sauce is oyster sauce. So this one you can find in most grocery stores. This has a nice savory flavor to it, and we just need 2 tablespoons of this sauce. I love oyster sauce because it has like a unique flavor. It's obviously made from oysters. It is quintessential in this recipe. Okay, the next thing we need is just a half a teaspoon of sesame oil. You can also find this in any of your local grocery stores as well. And just a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, now our sauce is ready. I'm gonna set this aside. I have a pot of water boiling over here, and that's for my lo mein noodles. Now this lo mein noodle, I have tested many noodles, and I have found that the best noodle for lo mein is going to be one that has egg in it. They have just the right consistency. They're not sticky, they're not too dense. They soak up the sauce perfectly. So I highly recommend getting one with egg in it. Just look at the ingredients. So they only take 4 minutes to cook. So I've got my water boiling. When I'm ready, I'm going to add these in. And right now we're gonna prep our veggies for the lo mein. So I am using 8 ounces of mushrooms, and I've got the sliced ones. So it just makes it a lot easier. I have celery, and I'm gonna use just 1 cup of sliced celery. And I love the celery because it adds a nice crunch to the lo mein. If you're not a celery fan, you can definitely leave it out. You can swap in carrots, broccoli, bell peppers. I mean, honestly, any type of vegetable that you like. Green onions, and I am gonna add in 1 cup of diced green onions. And this is gonna be added in at the end. So I'm just prepping everything. Like I said, it goes really quickly, so you wanna have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. And then I am gonna add in 2 cups of cabbage. This is Napa cabbage. You can also use regular green cabbage, either works fine. So I'm just gonna shred this up, just about 2 cups worth. And it cooks down nice and small, so it may seem like a lot, but it'll go in nice and easily. Okay, so I'm gonna set that aside. That looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna heat this wok with about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and I am going to start by sauteing the celery because it's a little bit more dense. We're gonna get this softened slightly. I still like the crunch of the celery, so I don't like to make it like super soft. And then also because the mushrooms kind of take a little bit of time, we're gonna add these in as well. We're gonna get these cooked down so they're nice and tender. All right, now that these are starting, I'm gonna go ahead and add my noodles into my boiling water so that they are ready to go and add right back into the lo mein. All right, let's add in that cabbage. I'm gonna get this cooked down. All right, now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic. And we're gonna stir this until it gets nice and fragrant. Just about 30 seconds. Okay, we're gonna add the noodles right to our veggies. Give your sauce a little bit of a stir just before you add it in, and then add those green onions. Perfect. Okay, now let's just combine it all together. We're gonna let the sauce thicken a little bit in that while it cooks and coats the noodles and soaks in. And you're gonna see just how quick and easy this comes together. So delicious. Okay. You can see the sauce has already thickened. The noodles are perfectly coated. There's tons of nice, tender, crisp veggies in here. Look at that, guys. Does that look good or what? Ooh. Get a couple mushrooms in there. Oh, yummy. All that cabbage is cooked down. We've got the nice tender mushrooms, crunchy bits of celery. Ooh, I cannot wait to give this a try. Let me see. Let's see if I can use these again. All right. I'm telling you guys, this comes together so quickly. Woo. All right, here we go. That's a lot. Mmm. 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 Oh my gosh, you guys. Mmm. This is so good. This is like restaurant quality at home. I'm telling you, follow the directions for the sauce and those noodles. Add in whatever veggies you like. Make this your own. You guys are going to love it. Those saucy, look at how saucy these noodles are. They're just perfect. They're not sticky. Ooh, so good. I cannot wait for you guys to try this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to head to iwashyoudry.com to check out this recipe, as well as more delicious Asian cuisine just like this. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.